Hey guys, 518 Token Hunters here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to talk about a few things going on with the alltrack, a few things going on with the channel, and a couple things like that, and do a little POV drive just for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, what's going on with the alltrack is we're getting the transmission tune. We're going stage 2, intercooler, intake, and downpipe with integrated engineering. The wife's Camry is coming today, 2025 Camry. We're going to pick it up from the dealership. Another thing, more videos coming out, better, higher quality videos. I just got a new microphone, so let me know how the audio sounds. The video should be a lot better in 4K, 60 frames a second.
Nice.
So let me know how that looks. Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot more videos, some roll racing on the highway, some cars and coffee, some car meets, meeting new friends, meeting new people, going to car shows, going, doing all sorts of car related stuff, going to Vermont, going to Lake Placid, Lake George. We're going to be doing some stuff this fall. Let me know if you guys would like to see some vlog type videos. I think that would be pretty cool, just about basically what we do on the daily and, the fun things we do and stuff like that. So, yeah, let me know about that. And, yeah, just enjoy the POV drive.
At this point, my foot's starting to cramp up. So, yeah, you'll see. Real quick, just wanted to say something. I'm thinking of doing live streams and going live on YouTube every Friday. And in the live streams, we'll talk about news in the automotive industry and racing, and also check out the newest cars online. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our newest videos and lives come out. And that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. We got more videos coming out soon. We got the new Camry coming today. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, guys. Peace out.